In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,525 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube, using YouTube and getting free traffic from YouTube. I made this commission in the month of May, this month, from the first day of May until the day 26th of May. I made $15,525. In today's video, guys, I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube, how you can find good affiliate links and profitable affiliate links that you can promote on YouTube to earn commission. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how we can use free traffic from YouTube, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel, step number one, to start making money with affiliate marketing, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. This is from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Why? Because they are paying really a lot of money for those affiliate marketers, okay, who promote those services. They are really paying good commission, okay? Anyway, just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? It's super easy. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard, okay? So you have here your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payment, post back, sub affiliate, commission plan, affiliate store. Super easy. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. How we can choose a good and a profitable services? So what you will do next, you will go back to your YouTube channel, okay, to your YouTube homepage. Go back to your YouTube homepage. So just open your YouTube homepage like this, click on the search and ask question. So for example, you will ask how to make YouTube, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. This is a report search prediction, as you can see. So people are searching for how to make YouTube channel, how to make YouTube banner, how to make YouTube short, how to make YouTube videos, how to make YouTube thumbnails, how to make YouTube intro. So let's take for example this one, how to make YouTube banner. So what you will do, I will check this topic, I will go back to my Fiverr homepage, I will click on the search and I will search for a YouTube banner, okay, like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. And as you can see, we have a lot of sellers here. So for example, I will choose like this one. Also choose sellers who are using videos, okay? Because videos will help you to explain this service to viewers on YouTube so they can understand what this service is about, okay? So I will choose, for example, this seller is really good. This seller is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this, and as you can see, this seller has 3 orders in queue, and you can see how many people put this service. It's over 1,000 people. You see how many services this seller has sold? Do you see how many YouTube banners this seller has sold? So which people will buy this service? It's of course only people who has YouTube channels, people who want to grow their YouTube channels, who want to make their YouTube channels branding and professional. Those people who has money and you want to invest in their YouTube channels to make their YouTube channels looks more professional and branding, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, and as you can see, this seller is looking a really good seller. So what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. Just copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. So you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, postback, sub affiliates. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we need to create a video that we will use to promote our affiliate link on YouTube. So what you will do, go back to this seller profile page, click on his video. His video is really looking good, guys, and as you can see, his video showing example of his banners that he made for his customers, and they are really satisfied because this seller has a lot of reviews. As you can see, those banners are really good. I think I will get one. Okay, they are really good. That's really good. Okay, so what you will do, double click on the video, click on save video. Okay, and you need to save this video to your laptop. Click on save, and this video will be saved to your laptop. What you will do next, I already have this video in my laptop. So what you will do next, you will go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Canva. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy. Canva, it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page. Click on upload, click on upload file, and upload this video to your Canva account. Click on open, and you should find your video here on videos. Okay, I already have this video here. Okay, it's really good. Click on 3 points, click on set video as background like this. Click over here on text and choose which style of text you want to use. I will use, for example, this one. So just click on the text style, and your text style will be over here in your video. I will delete this part, and I will decrease the font size of my text. I will put this text here. Double click on the text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, like this. Make it like this. So people who will watch this video and people who are interested to make YouTube banners, they will watch this video. They will see this: check link in my description. They will check our description, and we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Click on elements, click over here on ship, use this one. Click on color, choose black color, put this ship behind your text like this, and here you go. Okay, it's really looking good. Check link in my description. Looks good. Click on share, click on download, and download this video to your laptop. After you finish, go to your YouTube channel. Okay, create a YouTube channel. Use this title: how to make YouTube banner, like this. Guys, just copy and paste. Use the same title. So why? Those people who are using those keywords in this title, how to make YouTube banner, they can find your video in YouTube search result. If they watch your video, they can watch your video like this. They will see this: check link in my description. So what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and you will copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, I want to explain this. So for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. So for you, you can't see this option, but it's not a problem, okay? But you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. Copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Put in your YouTube description, put the same titles, okay? Click, for example, you can write this sentence in your YouTube description. In this video, I show you how to make YouTube banner, okay? And under this title, put your affiliate link, okay? And you can write, before you put your affiliate link, you can put like this: get your YouTube banner from here, and put your affiliate link under your YouTube, under this title, and that's it. Guys, you can get so much traffic from YouTube, okay? YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. Guys, YouTube, you should also know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1 and YouTube is number 2. 31 billion monthly visitors. This is really, it's an insane number. A lot of traffic for free, okay? And people using YouTube to search for services, for products, for a lot of stuff, okay? As you can see, go and promote like this one. How to make YouTube shorts. Go search for YouTube short services. How to promote YouTube intro. Go search for YouTube intro services. And so much more. You can find, you just need to be smart. You can really, if you do a lot of research, you can find a lot of services that people are searching for, okay? Yes, of course. I agree with you guys that of course not all those people will buy those services from your affiliate link. But of course, we have a lot of people who can buy those services. People who just started YouTube and have money, they will invest. If you give those people good services to grow their YouTube channels, of course they will buy, okay? As you can see, this is an example. If people, if those services are not working, if this business is not working, why the seller has a lot of orders, a lot of reviews here? Which people will buy this service, okay? Just let me know in the comments, guys, okay? Of course, only people who has YouTube channels. Because I'm getting some really stupid comments. It's not working, you cannot make money with this. No, guys, you just need, you are just not patient enough. You didn't really try it hard. You didn't stay consistent, okay? 3 orders in queue, and if we check other sellers, you see all those sellers has a lot of reviews. So which people are buying these services, okay? Of course, only people who has YouTube channels. So guys, stop saying like those comments. I'm talking just with those people, okay? Because of course I'm getting a lot of good message in my email and good comments from people who already made commission using those methods. I'm really happy to hear that. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you for your support. I'm also, guys, working on a course that will cover everything from scratch, okay? I will share inside this course, I will share with you a lot of new methods, advanced methods that will help you to earn commission with affiliate marketing. I'm giving this course a lot of time because I want to make it the best affiliate marketing course ever, okay? It's almost now 2 months I'm working on this course, and I will try to make it I will try to make it done in the next month, okay? Next month, hopefully I will try to make it done, okay? And if you guys are interested to see more videos like this, how we can promote affiliate links on Google for free, of course, on Google for free, how we can promote affiliate links on Instagram, on Message, how you can promote affiliate links on Instagram Reels, how we can promote affiliate links on TikTok, just comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will share with you guys all those methods for free in my YouTube channel, okay?